Hello guys, welcome back to our channel once again. It's always a pleasure to come your way with a good video. We want to share what we know with you because it's good to share the knowledge you have with others. Now if you are new here, please do your best to subscribe to our channel and also share the video to those who are in need of it so that they can also benefit from this video. Today we want to learn how we can write a code that can help us solve mathematical problems. So we want to see how we can write a code that can help us solve sets. In sets we know we have 2 set problems, 3 set problems. So let's see how we can do that in this video. Stay tuned to the end. Now let's say we have 2 sets. Let's see how we can find the complement of one set from the other. So first of all, we name the elements of the sets. So let's say set X. Its elements are, we have banana, we have apple and mango. So we have 3 elements in set X. Then we come to set Y. So let's say we have 2 elements also in set Y. So we name the elements as well. So let's say here we have pineapple for set Y and mango. Now X will be the complement of set Y. So we want to find the complement of set Y. That is Y complement. So let's say Y complement is the same as Z. So let's equate Z to X dot the differences, which is the same as the complement. So X dot the difference, then you put Y in a bracket, then you print Z. So whatever Z represents is the same as the complement of Y, which are banana and apple. So this is the solution for the complement of Y. Now let's see how we can find the intersection of these 2 sets. So in this question, the only thing that is common between these 2 sets is mango and nothing else. So let's see how we can do that. So simple, you just equate Z to X dot intersection, then you put Y in the bracket, then you print Z. So whatever Z represents will come as the outcome. So let's see the outcome here. Mango is the intersection. Let's see whether it's true or not. So it's true. We have mango to be the only common element between them. So now I want to find a subset between 2 sets. So let's say set Y and set X. Y is a subset of set X. So let's see whether whatsoever we are going to write is true or not. So the elements of set X are A, B, C and D, and then set Y has B and D only. So let's see whether it's true that Y is a subset of X. So you equate Z to Y dot subset of X, then we print Z. So it's true that Y is a subset of X. Now we want to find the symmetric difference of 2 sets. So symmetric difference simple means all the elements combined minus the intersection, that is the union minus intersection. So let's see how we can do that in this program as well. So let's say set X has elements of A, B, C and D, and set Y has elements of A, E and F. So the common element between X and Y is A. So we will only eliminate A and name the rest. So let's see how we can do that. So Z is equals to X dot symmetric difference, then you put Y in a bracket, then you print Z. So whatever Z represents will come as the outcome. So only A will be eliminated from this. So you can see that we have the solution here to be fine as we said. Now the last thing we want to find out is the union of the 2 sets. We all know what union is. That is to combine all the the elements of the 2 sets together. So set X has A, B, C and D, and set Y has A, E and F. So we just combined all the elements together without repetition. So all we have to do is to equate Z to X dot union Y, then we print Z. So whatever Z represents will come as the outcome. So we'll have A, B, C, D, E, F as the union of the 2 sets. So this is what we learned for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think of the video in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.